In this video, we're going to use trigonometry to find an angle. All right, so the question says find the measure of angle A. Well, here's angle A right here. So I'm going to put a mark in angle A, and I'm actually going to put an X right there because that's what we're solving for. So just like with the other trig problems, the very first thing we want to do is label our triangle so we know what sides we have. All right, so this side of the triangle, the side that's across from the right angle, is always H. If this is the angle they want us to find, we're going to label the triangle from this angle. So I'm going to go to the opposite side from that angle and put an O there. And the side that is attached to the angle is going to be A for adjacent. All right, so now if I'm looking at this, I know what H is, and I know what O is. So if we look at so, ka, toa. I know what H and O is. All right, so which one of the trig ratios uses H and O? Well, that's sine or so. So I'm going to set up a sine problem. The sine of my angle. Well, my angle is what I'm solving for, so that's going to be X is equal to, and sine is O over H. So for us, that's going to be 6 over 11. All right, to solve this, we want to get this X by itself. But we don't have the ability to divide by sine. So we need a button in our calculator that is the opposite of sine. And what we have is called the sine inverse. To get the sine inverse in your calculator, you hit second and then sine. And then you can type in this part because sine and sine inverse cancel each other out so that you're left with X. And so to type this in your calculator, you hit the second button and then sine, and then you type in 6 divided by 11. And I get that X is 33.06 degrees. And that is the correct answer.